breadwinner. The breadwinner started at a market in the city of Kabul, Afghanistan. At that time, the market was bustling with people shopping. Parvana is accompanying her Baba selling stuffs. At that time, the city of Kabul was controlled by the Taliban, so women were prohibited from leaving their homes except with their husbands and brothers. The sellers are also not allowed to serve female buyers. Baba is sad to see Parvana, who is about to sell her favorite clothes. But Parvana insisted that she didn't need the shirt. Baba used to work as a teacher, so he taught many school subjects to his children. Baba then asked Parvana to tell the history of Afghanistan. Parvana began to talk about the Silk Road, where the Arabs were once great traders. Afghanistan is blessed with fertile land, so many world leaders are fighting for control of the country. Before the conflict broke out in the country, Baba's life was beautiful in the past. Baba can play with his sister freely. But it all ended when war broke out. Everyone was scared until the Taliban came to power, and the women were forced to stay inside at home. Baba asked Parvana to tell him again about the lesson he had been taught until suddenly 2 Taliban soldiers came and bullied them both. The men were named Idris and Razak. Idris looked so angry seeing Parvana. A girl should not be out of the house.
Purse, very nice. Yeah, it looks nice.
Did she make this?
حالا ایره خودت جور کردی؟ Yeah, she says I have. بچه بگه نه؟ Okay.
Guys, I love this hotel. Look, I'm down for breakfast. It's the next morning as a traditional Afghan woman. Oh my God. There's pictures all around of the traditional Afghan women. I think they still wear this when they get married. And there's some cute kids in the window. I'm gonna have some breakfast, which is usually just, oh, we're going here today, by the way, Bandamir. I'm gonna have some bread for breakfast in Afghanistan. Breakfast is always this kind of bread with jams. It's delicious. And yeah, I'm just gonna put it on this plate and grab some cherry jam and some cream cheese. This is like traditional Afghan breakfast. It's really nice, really tasty. They have this there here for foreigners because they use their hands. Grab one more cherry jam. And I'll put the bread thing back. I love this hotel, you guys. It's so peaceful, beautiful. In Bamyan. Good morning, Kokasmod. Good morning. Get in? Huh? Yeah.
بخی سعی کدام چی شد میاریم یکان ما کاکوس ما یکان خارجی رو میاریم شهر اونجا قرار می باشیم صبح میریم
حاجی صاحب خدا حافظ بخیر
Bye, thank you.
بریم اگر نه از فرترکی دیگه
مریضا داشتی
اینجا استاد نکنیم یک ما را زیدن
6 سال ما سینما رفتیم هر روز
6 years completely he has been in cinema. 6 years was the guy is in the class.
Cinema was teaching him,
6
yeah?
سال آخر سال مرموم شد
End of the story when there was examinations I was failing.
نشد سال آخر
Guys, we left Bamyan, right?
Yeah.
We just left Bamyan and now we're in
Tande Amir.
Bandamir.
Amir Blue Lakes, yeah.
We're already in Bandamir.
Yeah, we are going to arrive there.
But where are we right now?
We are out of Bamyan, at the border of the Bamyan and Bandamir.
Right at the border. Look at these covered in snow. We're heading more towards the top of the mountain, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
سلام علیکم.
بخیر. سلام علیکم.
خوب
هستی جان جور صحتت خوب
خوب هستین صحت خوب است ان شاء الله.
ها؟ یا خارجی داره ما.
آه جان. از همین خاطر آمدیم. از خاطر
گوشه کنم یا اینجا خوبه.
مکتوب اگه کار از مکتوبم نشان بتون. چشم.
پاسپورت یعنی کاریسی چند جمله چند میشه؟ 300 400 400 رو پس تقدیم
این الله مکتوب ما در غلغله تکت گرفتیم در اونجا گرفت از پیش ما بگو خوب باز ما را گفت عکسش بگی کپی کن ولی من عکسش گرفتم یادم رفت کپی کنم این حالا من عکسش نشان میدم
یک 40 روپا ما را بتن
باش که من عکس مکتوب برد 200 هم اینی
نه 200 مده خدا رسید خودم نامده اینا
خود 200 برد آخرش چند
Entering Bandamir National Park, there are some vendors selling, I don't know, just some knickknacks, just trying to make a couple dollars as you're entering the park. And I found the cutest little kids that are homeless. Actually, they take care of each other, so they'll find little places to sleep, but they're generally homeless. And the kids are just such beautiful kids because they're so beautiful in spirit, even though they have nothing.
Nice, she loves you.
And, I told this lady I was making a video about Afghan women.
Which one?
The red hat.
And she said, "Oh, put me in there too. I'm not oppressed either."
All of them 300.
300?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have change?
مایده داری خاله؟
For 1,000?
آزاری را داری؟
Change?
Now they're bringing changes because they didn't have change, you know. And the guy went, yeah, to bring changes. And Mary bought a hat and a purse, very nice. Yeah, it looks nice.
Did she make this?
خاله ایره خودت جور کردی؟ Yeah, she says I have woven it myself. And, oh. Yeah.
This hat on and I take a picture of him?
Yeah.
Him? This
Yeah.
one?
Yeah, put. بگه که کلا رو تا سرت میمونه یک عکس تا میگیره. بگه آف کاکا موتر قلف کردی؟
All right.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Look, you guys, it's a bit cold. So I don't know if I want to ride today. I have ridden here before. But look how blue and gorgeous this water is. Unbelievable. This country is just...
How ridiculously beautiful this water is. Zavisho,
Yeah.
look how blue that water is.
Wow.
And this landscape here.
Yeah.
It looks like I'm in the Philippines.
Same like Philippines?
So beautiful. You see?
Very blue lakes.
So blue. So pure.
Yeah.
I would swim in here if I were allowed.
Really?
But I'm not allowed to swim because I'm a girl.
Yeah. That is why. Australiana.
What do you say?
He says, where is she from? I said, Australia.
Why did you say Australia?
You know? Okay, stop.
Yeah.
Cheers. It's not true. Go in, cactus.
Here, I'll take the camera.
Yeah.
Can you
Yeah,
film
this
on
one?
my phone? Yeah.
Yeah. Ready? Take it. Yeah.
It's filming. Can you?
Yeah.
I can't.
Hey, شوخی نکنیم خواه؟ غل نکنیم همه تا آرام باش.
Should I open the markers or?
بیا یکی بیاین یکی نه پیش نه یکی نوبت این از بده میریم Give one by one. It will not. Yeah. Hola, Vicky. Who has to end? Didn't take. Give them gloves.
This one?
Give them gloves. Yeah.
Take my gloves.
اینو میگه از من. های دستکشای خودش براتون کشید دیگه.
For the girls.
Rachi, begin now. Okay, finished? We have some more? Give it. Finished? خلاص نمونده دستکش دیگه بچه.
I have one hat.
One hat.
For
Yeah.
girls.
Yeah, those for this. No, this one. Oh yeah, that one. Okay. خلاص دیگه تو گرفتی. Started.
Okay. I have a hat.
پس باشین دیگه من خود گفتم نه اندی ولی را خراب نوبت پاش باشین پاس باش give them one by one finish it
Okay, one by one.
یا کس که گرفت
Yeah.
lots of mujahideen are fighting and they destroyed their tanks here and lots of them were killed here.
Whoa. So these are the old tanks from when before the US was in Afghanistan. Yeah, in the 60s, Russia was occupying Afghanistan. Russia occupied a lot of the stands, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, you know. But they occupied here. They wanted to conquer India.
They wanted to go to the warm waters. You know,
Yeah.
But
Wasn't successful.
Afghanistan get rid of that, and because of that, India loves Afghan people too
Right,
much. Because
okay.
This is the only case that they got rid of Russian to go to India.
Right, because
They
if they succeeded here, they would have went to
Yes,
India.
they were conquering India.
Right, so that's why Afghanistan and India
Also,
are very
they
close.
supported Afghans too much. India and Pakistan, both of them.
Right.
They supported Afghans to fight against the Soviets.
Right, so there's some just leftover tanks here from when Russia was here, but then they got rid of them. This is in the 60s, so you can see it's kind of like embedded in the ground now. Can you